To transfer money from Keystone to another bank, there are a couple of methods you can use. Firstly, you can use the USSD transfer code, which involves dialing *711 amount account number hash on the mobile number linked to your Keystone account. A list of registered banks will appear, from which you can select the recipient's bank. A summary of the transaction details will then appear on the screen, and you will need to verify that the information is correct before entering your PIN to authorize the transaction. Alternatively, you can transfer money in person by visiting your nearest Keystone branch, filling out a transfer form with your account details and the recipient's details, including their account number and the amount you wish to transfer, and submitting it to the teller. They will then facilitate the transfer and provide you with a receipt. If you need further assistance, you can contact Keystone's customer care number at +234 700 2000 3000. Transferring money from Keystone to another account is a straightforward process that can be completed easily using one of these methods.